Hello students, today we are going to see about trigonometry basics. In basics, today we will be seeing uh, about all silver teacups. All silver teacups, in 10th class we have read all silver teacups. What it will be? It is nothing but we will use that in quadrants. First of all, angle. What is angle? Angle is nothing but see. Angle is nothing but two lines meets from one point to another point. Two lines are meeting. Let it be the meeting point is this. So the bending area of two lines, it is said to be as angle. So here to here is the angle. In the same way, this is the one line, this is the one line, from here to here is the angle. So the entire angle, here one line, from here to here is another angle. In the same way, this is the one line, this is the one line, here to here is the angle. So entire angle is equal to what? 360 degree, is equal to 360 degree. If you want to divide into 4 equal halves, what it will be? 360 divided by 4, what it will be? 90. So 90, 90, 90, 90. In this way 4 times we can divide. So if we want to divide the entire angle into 4 equal halves, then we will have the quadrant. I have drawn here quadrant. See, is the quadrant. From here to here, it is from 0 to 90, right? So what we'll write here? It is less than 90. 90 minus theta. Theta is nothing but angle. In the same way, from here to here, it is nothing but more than 90 degree, right? It's more than 90 degree. In the same way, it is less than 180 degree. 180 minus theta, right? In the same way, from here to here, it is more than 90 degree. It's 180 is here, more than 180 degree, and less than 270 degree, right? In the same way, from here to here, the angle is more than 270 degree and less than 360 degree, right? If it turns from here to again one terms, it comes again second round, it will mean 360 plus theta. Okay, so 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. In the same way, 360 plus theta. This about angles you have understood. Now what is all silver teacups? Nothing but we have to keep in the mind. All silver, here I am writing tea and cups. All silver tea cups. This is the thing. This is the quadrant number 1, quadrant number 2, quadrant number 3 and quadrant number 4. Okay. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers we have? How many trigonometric signs we have? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta, right? These many we have, right? Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Trigonometric ratios are there. Then all, here first one is all. So sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. In this quadrant, all are positive. In this quadrant, the first quadrant, all the numbers are positive ratios, positive degrees. Okay. In the same way, here S stands for what? Here, let's see only from these three. S is sine, and reciprocal of sine is what? Reciprocal of sine is cosec. So sin theta and cosec theta are positive. Sin theta and cosec theta are positive. In the same way, t. Here t, in these three, what is t? Tan theta. So here I am writing tan theta and reciprocal of tan theta. 1 by tan theta is nothing but cot theta. Tan theta and cot theta are positive. These two only are positive. Remaining the two all are negative. In the same way, last one, here is the cups. C stands for cups. So see here, what is their cos? Cos theta. In the same way, sec theta. Cos theta and sec theta, these two are positive, remaining all that are negative. Understood? So in the first quadrant all are positives. In the second quadrant sine and cosec are positive. In the third quadrant tan and cot are positive. In fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. This is the basic all silver teacups quadrant. Now how to use this, let's see. First of all, let's see the angle. Sine, what we could take, sine 90 12 120 will take. Okay, sine 120, let's take this. Sine 120 we can write in the way of sine 90 plus 30, right? Sine 90 plus 30 we can write. First of all, 90 plus theta, this is in which quadrant? 90 minus theta, not 90 plus theta, it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, what are positive? Sine and cosec are positive. Sine and cosec are positive. So sine is there, sine is positive. Okay, now at 90 it changes or not? Yeah, I forgot to say. Leave this, we'll see again one. I forgot to say this. At 90 and 270 and at 180 and 360. At 90 and 270 and 180 and 360. At 90 degree and 360 degree, sine will become cos and cos will become sine. In the same way, tan will become cot and cot will become tan. In the same way, sec becomes cosec and cosec becomes sec. Understood? Sine changes to cos theta and also cos changes to sine theta. Tan changes to cot theta and cot changes to sine theta. And sec changes to cosec theta and cosec changes to sec theta. In this way it changes. In the same way, at 180 and 360, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Sine changes to sine only, cos changes to cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. No one changes. It will be same. Sine will be sine, cos will be cos. Only it changes at 90 and 270. Okay. Now we'll see example. Again I am writing the same example. Sine of 120. Sine of 120 we can write as sine of 90 plus 30, right? Sine of 90 plus 30 we can write. So what is the value? First of all, 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, it is in which quadrant? Let's see. 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta is there. 90 plus theta is in second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Sine or cosec are positive. So sine is positive. Okay. Now 90 plus theta, 90 value changes or not? See here. At 90, sine changes to what? Sine changes to cos. So cos of 30. Understood? Again two examples I'll show for you. Yeah. Tan of what will take? 300. Okay. Tan of 300. What we can take? Tan of 300 we can write as 270 plus 30. Just you see, 90 or 180 or 270 or 360. In this four way only you have to make any plus or minus. Okay. So tan is equal to 270 plus theta. First of all, 270 plus theta is in which quadrant? See just. 270 plus theta is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Cos and sec are positive. Was the question was there? Tan. Tan is positive, not negative. Okay. In the same way, 270 plus theta is there. 270 plus theta is there. at 270 value changes or not? Yeah, we have wrote here, no? At 270 it changes. Tan changes to cot. Tan changes to cot. So here tan will become as what? Cot. Theta. Theta is 30. So it's the basic how we have to use the quadratic table of all silver teacups and how the values changes. Hoping that you have understood. As there was no current, I have 0 on the paper. Thank you.